Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nina and today I'm beyond excited because we're diving into something truly special from Karma and Luck, the Build Your Own Karma collection. As you know, Karma and Luck is all about infusing positive energy into your life, and this collection takes it to a whole new level. I can't wait to show you these incredible pieces and how they work together to create something truly magical. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Serene Awakening Lotus Charm. This lotus flower charm symbolizes resilience. It grows in muddy waters but rises above it all to bloom into a beautiful flower. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, we can transcend it all and emerge into a state of pure light and beauty. So if you're seeking to overcome obstacles and embrace your inner strength, this charm is your perfect companion. Next, we have the Love's Protection Heart with Evil Eye Charm. This charm combines the power of love and protection. It creates a shield of positive energy around you, repelling negativity and attracting abundance, love, and joy. It's a beautiful reminder that you are protected, supported, and cherished by the universe. If you're looking for love, protection, and positivity, this charm is your ideal choice. Moving on to the Enchanting Light Evil Eye Charm. This ancient symbol of the evil eye is a talisman of protection. It wards off negativity and invites good fortune and positive energy into your life. It's a symbol of your own power to create the reality you want by focusing your intention and energy positively. If you're seeking to overcome obstacles and invite positive energy, this charm is your guiding light. Now let's talk about the Divine Blessings Hamsa Charm. The Hamsa is revered for its ability to ward off negative vibes and bring positive energy and good fortune. It helps balance the energies within and around you, offering divine protection and guidance. The silver amplifies your intuition and emotional balance, making it perfect for those who seek clarity and serenity in their relationships. Next, we have the Blissful Connection Silver Bracelet. This bracelet represents the enduring bond between loved ones. By choosing this bracelet, you're celebrating the strength of your connections. The bracelet represents the enduring bond between loved ones, and the silver promotes intuition and emotional equilibrium. Lastly, we have the Cosmic Connection Silver Necklace. Crafted from rhodium-plated silver, this necklace promotes clarity, serenity, and the release of negative energies. It symbolizes unconditional love and the power of connection. If you're someone who values the strength that arises from unconditional love and clear connections, this necklace is your perfect choice. Now here comes the exciting part, how these pieces work together. Imagine combining the Lotus Charm, symbolizing resilience, with the Evil Eye Charm, offering protection and positive energy, or pairing the Hamsa Charm for divine blessings with the Heart with the Evil Eye Charm for amplified love and protection. The possibilities are truly limitless. What's truly amazing about this collection is that it's not just jewelry, it's a reflection of your journey, your intentions, and your energy. Each piece is a statement of who you are and what you aspire to be. So there you have it everyone, the sneak peek from the Build Your Own Karma collection with Karma and Luck. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this unboxing, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more amazing content. As always, stay positive, stay connected, and let your karma and luck guide you on your journey. Until next time.